You're mine now.
Oh, wow. Nice little first apartment.
I agree. It's not bad looking.
I know. I really got lucky.
Okay, well, we'll leave you to it.
Oh, okay. You're grown, on your own. Keep your doors and windows locked. Trust no one.
And get a camera.
Yes. And remember, you can always come home. I know, Mom. But this is a new chapter. I need this. Thank you guys again. I love you. Hello?
How are you?
Good. You?
Great. You need any help?
My parents helped me.
Oh. What you doing?
Chester, stop.
Just making conversation.
Are you?
We can't be friends?
You know we can't.
Alright. If you need me, call me.
Bye. Oh my God, I'm so late. Oh, where's my phone? Where's my phone? Great, forgot to charge it. Okay, I'm gonna have to charge it at work. All right. I swore I locked the door. Oh my God. Hello? I'm loving the new apartment, girl. But when you gonna get a ring camera? I will. Just haven't gotten around to it. You cannot wait when it comes to security. There are a lot of creeps around. This is a safe neighborhood. Safe neighborhood has creeps. And why don't you have a door guard? Get a door guard. I will. I promise. Hi, Mom.
Hey, how are you doing?
I just made it back in from work.
Oh, you sound like you're tired.
Yeah, I am. Can I call you back when I get out the shower?
Of course, I'll wait.
Okay, thanks, Mom. Why are you doing this? You're pretty. I like you. I want you. You are mine. If you scream, I'll kill you. I have to use the bathroom. I need to use the bathroom now. No. I can't use the bathroom on myself.
I gotta get to work. You will be here.
I'm hungry.
I'll check on you later. But first, just in case, and if you run, I will find you.
Maddie? 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 Are you here, hon? Who are you?
Shut up.
Shh. Maddie, your doors. Oh. Oh. Is Maddie here?
She's sleeping.
I've been calling her for days and she hasn't answered. Maddie?
She's sleeping.
Who are you?
I'm her fiance.
Fiance?
Yes. We're busy. Please leave. Maddie, I said.
Fiance?
911.
I don't know if this is an emergency, but I need a friend checked on.
Shh. Shoot. 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 Play alone. Play alone. What's going on, officer? Just checking in. We received an anonymous tip. You haven't received your phone calls or texts. Oh, yes, my apologies. We just got married and, you know, getting it in. Well, call your family. They're worried.
Yes, officer. I will.
Are you okay? She's good. I was addressing her. Ma'am?
Yes, officer, I'm good. I can't believe I'm married.
Anything else, sir? No. Y'all have a good night. Thank you, officer. You almost blew it. I should. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. If you would just leave me alone, please. Please. Stop crying. I gotta go. Will you? Oh my God. Maddie. Maddie. Mom. Oh my God. No. You stay away. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, Maddie, what happened? Freeze! Drop the knife! Drop it! Easy. Let's go. Nothing will keep me from her. Shut up. She loves me. Get out. paramedics are on their way. We'll get you ladies to the hospital. She still has a pulse. Okay. You online?
Thanks.
I thank you for calling me. I know we're friends. You wouldn't want to grab a bite? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I love to.
Ooh.